10 apps tilo mede quick millennial from ASSM or TP gajolening. Are you tired of being broke and in need of some extra cash? Well, look no further. Your smartphone is a powerful tool that can help you earn money with just a few taps. In this video, we'll be showcasing the top 10 apps that can help you make quick money from your smartphone. From selling goods to offering your services, these apps are designed to help you maximize your earning potential with ease. Whether you're looking to make a few extra bucks on the side or turn your phone into a full-time income stream, this video is a must-watch. So sit back and relax. In this video, we are going to show you the 10 apps to make quick money from ASSM or TP. Before starting the video, please subscribe to my channel and be notified of future updates. Now let's get started. Number 10. Gigwalk. Gigwalk is an app that allows you to get paid for completing small tasks, such as taking photos of store displays or completing surveys. You can earn money by completing as many or as few tasks as you want. Are you looking for an easy way to earn extra cash? With Gigwalk, you could get paid for completing small tasks, such as taking photos of store displays or answering surveys. Does it get any easier than this? Gigwalk is the perfect opportunity to make some extra money without going out of your way. You can do as little or as much as you want. Want to stand out from the crowd and take advantage of higher paying gigs? All you need to do is demonstrate your enthusiasm and skill set. Grab a buddy or two and start getting paid on your own schedule. Take the leap today and start earning with Gigwalk. Number 9. FOP. FOP is an app that allows you to sell your photos to brands and businesses for money. You can upload your photos to the app and set your own prices. If you've ever wished your creative efforts could put a bit of extra money into your pocket, FOP could be your ideal app. With end users like major corporations and everyday people searching for unique visuals, FOP allows its users to easily upload photos and set their own prices. If that isn't rewarding enough, in addition to getting paid for your photos, you have the satisfaction of knowing you have contributed to truly one-of-a-kind visual content out there in the world. So why not give it a try? You might make a killing off of just one pick. Number 8. Survey Junkie. Survey Junkie is an app that pays you for taking surveys. You can complete surveys on a variety of topics, and you'll be rewarded with cash or gift cards for your efforts. Survey Junkie is a great way to put some extra spending cash in your pocket. It offers users the chance to make money in a truly flexible way. Surveys can be taken anytime, anywhere, and in virtually any location with an internet connection. Give your opinion on everything from financial services to lifestyle products and much more, and get paid for it. What could be better? With various reward types available, you'll never be short of something to do, while at the same time very quickly boosting your income. So why not give Survey Junkie a try today? Number 7. Swagbucks. Swagbucks is an app that allows you to get paid for watching videos, taking surveys, and shopping online. You can earn rewards in the form of cash or gift cards. Swagbucks is an amazing way to make a little extra money while having fun. Where else can you get paid just for watching videos or taking surveys? Plus, their easy-to-use app makes this activity even more enjoyable and convenient. Users can collect points to redeem rewards such as cash or gift cards, and receive exclusive discounts when shopping online. With Swagbucks, it's simple and free to use, so why not take advantage of this great opportunity? Whether you need extra pocket money or want to treat yourself to something special, start earning those rewards today. Number 6. Instacart. Instacart is an app that pays you to deliver groceries to customers. You can choose when you want to work and how many deliveries you want to make. Working with Instacart is a great way to make some extra money. You decide when and for how long you want to take on deliveries, so it can be a great opportunity for anyone with a busy lifestyle who wants to earn a little extra cash. With Instacart, you get to be your own boss, setting your own hours and earning whatever fits into your schedule. Plus, no specific experience or qualifications are required. All you need is the app and an attitude ready to deliver anything from grocery items to household supplies as soon as possible. Start today by downloading the app and joining the Instacart community. Number 5. Rover. Rover is an app that pays you to pet sit or dog walk. You can choose which services you want to offer and set your own rates. Rover is a great way to make extra money and do something special for animals at the same time. Whether you're an experienced pet sitter looking for new clients or just an animal lover who wants to get paid to care for animals, Rover can help. You can select which services you want to provide, like dog walking, pet sitting, drop-in visits, or home boarding. Additionally, you can set your own rates so that you get compensated equitably according to your location and experience. If you're looking for a fun and rewarding side job that allows you to help out furry friends in need, then Rover could be perfect for you. Number 4. TaskRabbit. TaskRabbit is an app that pays you to complete odd jobs and tasks for people in your local area. You can choose which tasks you want to take on and set your own rates. Many of us are constantly busy with work, school, family, and other obligations, but now there's an easy way to make some extra money on the side. TaskRabbit is a helpful app that allows you to pick up odd jobs and tasks around your city, meaning no more searching for job postings at local stores or offices. With this app, you can use your own skills and abilities to create a unique profile, list your availability, and select which jobs you want to take on. Best of all, you even get to set your own rates for the services you provide. So ditch the traditional methods of finding work and sign up for TaskRabbit today. It's an easy and fun way to help others while earning some extra cash at the same time. Number 3. Uber Eats. Uber Eats is an app that pays you to deliver food to people. You can work whenever you want and choose how many deliveries you want to make. Uber Eats is a great way to make some extra money on the side. Being able to work when you want, for as long or short as you want, makes it a flexible option for those looking for flexible income. The ease at which you can set your own hours and financial goals makes Uber Eats an ideal choice for making deliveries in your spare time. Plus, what's more satisfying than being able to give people their favorite takeaway food and earning money from it? So if you're up for the challenge of delivering with Uber Eats and setting your own schedule, give it a try today. Number 2. Lyft. Lyft is an app that pays you to give people rides. You can choose when you want to work and how many rides you want to give. Working with Lyft can be a great way to make some extra money while also having a flexible schedule. Whether you're looking to make a little extra cash on the weekends or in between jobs, you can use Lyft to your advantage. With the Lyft app, you have full control over when and how much you want to work, so it's totally up to you. All you need is a valid driver's license and an insured car, if available, and you could be good to go. What are you waiting for? Sign up with Lyft today and start driving whenever and however fits your life best. Number 1. Postmates. Postmates is an app that pays you to deliver food and other goods to people. You can choose when you want to work and how many deliveries you want to make. Postmates is a great way to work your own schedule and make extra money. You can select how often you want to deliver, ensuring that it fits into your lifestyle and the demands of life. Furthermore, it's easier than ever to pick up and drop off orders with their easy-to-use app, making it convenient for both the customer and you. With Postmates, you have the opportunity to create your own unique career as a delivery person while getting paid for doing so. It truly is an exciting way to make money on your own terms and in whatever city you may be in. Thank you for sticking to the end. Hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have any suggestions, let us know in the comment section below. Till next time.